guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video, we're checking in thanks to a great person. Thank you, you know who you are. We're checking into Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House today. With it, I got a winning ticket. So let's go check out the room. Here in room 5503, and we have a Savana view room. I missed that sound. There's Adrian doing coffee. Everybody's here. Oh my goodness gracious. As you walk in, you have a mirror to check yourself out for your fit before the theme parks or Disney Springs, wherever you're going throughout your trip here. Behind me, you have a closet, you have space, you have an ironing board and an ironer right here. You can hang your clothes, put your suitcases right here as well. Little kitchenette, which is good. You have a coffee maker right here with Joffrey's coffee, and we just made one. Of course, you need to make the resort blend. Of course, you have to do that. You have a little microwave. You're gonna have your little cups and your little, utensils here, because this is a deluxe studio DVC room, and you have paper towels as well. If you want to wash, like the mugs or something like that, you can. And you got a fridge. Turning from the kitchenette, hey guys, double sink to brush your teeth, and of course you remember this one, and you have a bathroom and a toilet to do number 1 and number 2. Shower, the loud fan that's gonna be, and H2O soaps, which it's now Disney owned. That's why they had to tape it, but it's still H2O products here. You got your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, which is cool. So there's your bathroom, and you got another mirror right here as well to check yourself out before the theme parks. The bedroom, where we have a lovely bed. I'm guessing a king or queen size bed. I think it's a king size bed. All right. And then we got a pull-out couch right over here as well. Virgie, hi Virg.
Hi.
How's it going?
Very good.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Yeah, give him 5. Good job. Just currently watching TV. This is a new thing that they have here, and when we checked in, it said happy birthday to her and welcome the Henry family, which was awesome. Here you can plug in your laptops, as I'm doing right now, your phone, your USBs right here, and you can put more clothes as well. There's extra pillows, more hangers, so if there's not enough closet space in front of the door over there, there is enough space right here as well. Also have a safe, so you can fit maybe a 16-inch laptop. I don't think so. I think it would fit like a 13 or 14-inch laptop and an iPad and things you want to store there for your trip. You have this right here. Hey Disney, show me a joke.
Oh, I'll tell one. Oh, why did Goofy put an alarm clock under his desk?
Why?
Why, Mickey? What? Because he wanted to work overtime.
These jokes, let's tell another one. Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
Which Toy Story pal is Lightning McQueen really afraid of? Rex.
Let's try another one. Hey Disney, tell me another joke.
Here's one that'll rev you up. What's Lightning McQueen's favorite game?
What?
Red light, green light.
Okay, yeah, keys the car. Okay, all right, we're gonna leave it there. Your 2 seats over here. You can do office work over here or just chill over here. I also think you have lights right over here. Look at that. So you can have another mirror to check yourself out as well. Famous view is the Savana view room, right on time, sunset time, and of course we'll catch it tomorrow during the sunrise. Here it is, guys, the famous Savana view room. There is the sunset right over there yonder. This is amazing. This is Jambo House here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. And over yonder, over there across that building, is Kidani Village. You already know we're gonna get that Joffrey's coffee. I'm a Starbucks type of guy, but because there's Joffrey's, this is pretty cool. It's like new cups, and they have, like Mickey emblems on it. Pretty nice. I stayed in a Disney resort in like about 3-4 years, so this is like all new to me. Pour it in right here. There it is. Coffee right there, not a problem, at 8 o'clock p.m. Creamer as well. This is Delight, so I'm going to pour some Delights on my coffee. I don't really have Delight. I have almond creamer, but that's fine. Stir it up, because I don't think I need sugar. I don't really put sugar in my coffee, so I just like put creamer depending on the creamer. If I put almond creamer, I don't really need to put sugar. But let's see how this tastes. Hopefully I do not burn my tongue. Yeah, I need some sugar. The sugar right here, we have like sweet and and slow. So this is, let's see what this does over here. I put sugar in this time. I put like 4 packets. Let's see. Let's taste it. Let's go. Oh yeah, much better. Much. It's the sweet one. What do you want to show?
Well, I want to surprise Vicky by doing this. There's a Moana soundscape, and
What?
she's going to love it.
Oh, that's pretty cool. On Hey Disney.
Soundscape.
Moana soundscape. You can put different musics on it as well, and set an alarm on the thing there too. Guys, we're going to the pool. We don't know where the pool is, so we're gonna find it out. Oh, I think there's a pool. There's a pool. We found it. You got I think it's Pumbaa's or Pumbaa's Fun and Game Arcade right here. We're going into the pool. We're going into the pool. Oh yeah, no splash pad. No, we're gonna go to the pool. So we only have like an hour and so to enjoy the pool right now. Oh. You got the Mara, this quick service right here. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner right across from the pool. Oh my God. I think, yep, there's a slide. I'm gonna go directly into the slide. Everybody's gonna enjoy themselves. We're gonna grab some towels. We're just gonna go at it. Going on the slide. Let's go. Let's go. We're going on the slide. And there's the moon. The blue super moon. Let's go. We're going on the slide. First time. Let's do this. The whole family is with me right now. Let's go. Here's the slide at Animal Kingdom Jambo House right there. Let's do it. Actually, my first time vlogging like a water slide with my phone. So no running place. No running place. Adrian. There he goes. It's my turn. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Yay! Yeah. Oh God. Whoa. All right. Gotta wait for mom now. Mom is down there too. I don't know. Let's see mom. Oh my God. Slide is amazing, kind of slow. My dad got stuck, but then he got down eventually. Mom went quick, as you can see. We're just having fun. Awesome. It's pretty cool to be here. So now I'm gonna put the phones back so we can enjoy some family quality time, and I'll see you guys back in the room. Just finished at the pool, went down the slide around 2-3 times. My family just went down the slide, down the slide, down the slide. We just had a good time here. We went to the hot tub. A leaf like touched me on the ground and I'm like, oh, and everybody was laughing in there. I'm sorry. I got paranoid. I'm like, what is that? So, but still relaxing. What a great atmosphere to be in at the pool right here. It's empty because they're closing in about like 20 minutes and they're cleaning the pool. So I guess they closed 20 minutes earlier so they can clean the pool ready for tomorrow. Full fun day for the other families to come. It was a good adventure. It was very, very nice. If you think only Disney adults or Disney families go in the pool, Disney ducks are allowed in the pool too. Look at that. Disney ducks. Playing ping pong. Hold on. Playing ping pong. Come on, Virgie. Let's go.
Ready to be in the game?
Let's go. Oh, she didn't serve right. Oh! Like lost the ball. We just played ping pong. Pretty cool. We're gonna go see flamingos. Lottery birds are here. It's the flamingos. Hey guys, how's it going? How's it going, guys? Very good. All right. Good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. A beautiful morning. Well, this is our first morning here. Wow, this is amazing. Amazing. The sunrise is over to our east over here. You can see the reflection of the trees and the building. It doesn't even look like we're at Disney World. It looks like we're like completely in Africa with those clouds in the back. Oh man, it's nice. And then over here, cast members, they're making sure the savannah is good and they're feeding the animals. And there's wildebeest back there. There was a giraffe over here. We will see them pretty soon. But yeah, just having coffee, sitting down and enjoying the savannah view. That's how you start your morning here. Oh, there it is. There he is. He's right hidden by the trees. He's right there, everybody. There's the giraffe. I'm live streaming on YouTube right now. I will make sure that I will link the live stream in the link in the description down below so you guys can see it. I am showing everybody live the sunrise and the morning views of the savannah. It's just taking it in, guys, just taking it in. I'm doing coffee right now, and I'm just gonna sit right here and just enjoy it. Coffee is done. Joffrey's coffee. I haven't had Joffrey's coffee in a long time. Well, I had it last night, but still, second time. And these are like new Mickey cups. I said it earlier in the vlog. It's like they have like Mickey Mouse on the cup, which is pretty cool, which is amazing. Yep, awesome. Everybody's still sleeping though. Much needed sleep though. They'll wake up and catch the savannah. But we have the music playing at the Disney stuff, you know, like that's pretty cool. You can like put music on, and we've all fell asleep, so the TV's off, but the Hey Disney, we kept it on and put Moana music on, which we all fell asleep to. It was very nice. I'm like so grateful and so blessed to be in this room right now. So if you guys didn't know, I haven't stayed at a Disney hotel in about 3 to 4 years, so it's been a while. I love Disney. My family loves Disney. We're a Disney family. We love it so much. And to get this view, to get the deluxe studio, and it didn't matter what room it was, and to be surprised that we got Savannah view. I'm just like sipping my coffee and just enjoying the room. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Right now I'm live streaming off YouTube. I'm like, wow. And you know who you are. Thank you so much. It's just, guys, I get to wake up to a Savannah view. Like, I don't feel like I'm at Disney World right now. I feel like I'm in somewhere in Africa, which is amazing. It's amazing. Oh man, it's amazing. Never take this for granted. This is always in the memory. It's always on a live stream, and now it's on a vlog. This is Philip, guys, and Phyllis is over there.
The orange tag.
Yeah. And I guess
Philip has a blue tag.
Yeah, Philip is trying to contact Phyllis, but doesn't know where Phyllis is, but he's right over there. He's yonder.
Quiet, I do know where she is.
Oh. Now we're going to the lobby, which is on the 3rd floor. Gotta get something. But yeah, we were on the 5th. We were on the 5th floor, which is Disney Vacation Club. So blessed, guys, so blessed. There's the seats that we sat last time. Remember that in that video? And then we come out here to the lobby, the hallway to the lobby. Just take it down to the 3rd floor. From the 5th floor to the 3rd floor. You got Boma over here and Jico or Jaiko, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I will miss this place for sure, staying here. Oh my god, it's amazing, guys. This lobby is grand. It's so grand. Look at this entrance. This is Jambo House. Amazing. And then I'm just gonna go walk to the car to get something really quick for the family. And man, it's amazing. It doesn't really feel like you're at Disney World. This resort is located near Animal Kingdom theme park, of course. That's what Animal Kingdom Lodge. And yeah, and then you have another resort called Kidani Village, which that is their exclusive DVC building here for Animal Kingdom Lodge. But the parking lot for Jambo House is so big. It is huge. You have valet over here. They can valet your car, but it's big. And then the Kidani Village, you just take the walkway all the way over there. Couldn't be summer without a little pass by. But yeah, it's a little tiny, like, it's just pass buying. Look at that. That's pretty. It looks like smoke, but it's, wow. That's pretty cool. That's cool with the animals in the distance. I'm gonna miss this room. Sat here, had coffee, enjoyed, you know, the pull-out couch and everything. That was very comfortable. Like, wow. Disney beds, like, are amazing. We saw, you know, like the Mickey cartoons and everything. It was just a good stay, and we are so blessed to be hosted and to be gifted this stay. And you know who you are. Thank you so much. Let's buy. One last bye to room 5503, a DVC room, by the way, in Jambo House. There's a deluxe studio. So goodbye, kitchenette, coffee. My favorite, well, it's not my favorite coffee, but the coffee was really, really good. It's Joffrey's coffee. I loved it so much, you guys. This is like a nice room. It's pretty good, pretty good. You got a lot of mirrors to do your fit checks. All right, I already did say number 1, number 2. All right, I did that in the beginning of the video. Just thank you guys so much for joining the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour and just our experience here at Animal Kingdom Lodge for the first time. Thank you for joining today's video. It is currently going to rain out. What a great present, gift. Thank you so much. You know who you are once again. Thank you so much. This was a surprise. It was unexpected, and just know that magic can happen for everybody in this world. Guys, I did do 2 live streams here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. I did one in the morning today and one yesterday. So I will link those 2 down below so you guys can catch the replay and saw what happened. Storm brewing right now. Huge storm with thunder. The pool is closed, but still beautiful to see this view. I'm gonna miss it so much. And there is the rain. Let the rain begin. So thank you guys for joining today's video, and I hope you guys loved it. So with that being said, go live life, do what you love, and remember, always follow your dreams. Bye guys.